Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm gonna be teaching you about the global keyword in Python. So basically it's a keyword that's used to make the variables global and be used all over the program. It's self-explanatory. I don't have to explain it much, so let's begin the video. I've opened up IDE of Python default IDE. Let me make a Python file first. I'll save it to desktop and the name will be main.py. You can save it wherever you like and name it whatever you like. Now, to make sure that it's working, let me print something on the screen. Print hello world. If I run this, I'll get hello world and the screen means it's working. Now, let's see the normal cases. A equals to 50, B equals to 60, print, print A, print B, and then if we run the program, we'll see 50 and 60 on the screen, as we can see. But let's assume that you made a function. Define the function. Define the name of the function will be func, and then let's say okay, print I'm func. So if we run this now, it will not be giving us output. We all know that. I'm gonna assume that you know some basic things of the Python programming language, so I'm not gonna be explaining everything that's happening in the program. So for making this function work, we have to call it func. Just type func and give the brackets, run it. Now we can see on the screen that it'll say I am func. Let's describe a variable here. 1, b equals to 2. Now if I want to say print a plus b, it will not print it because the name a is not defined outside the function. So what's the reason of using global? You might be saying that. It's the thing. If you want this variable to work outside the function or anything that it's defined in, or make it global, a global keyword is used. So we're making it global type global, and the name of the variable in our case is a. Let's do it with b as well. Global b. So if I run the program, we can see a plus b. It's 3, and a equals 1, b equals 2, and a plus b equals to 3. I can also say print type of a, print type of b. It'll give integer type, class int, but if we didn't have these lines of code up, let's comment it for a while and run the same code. It'll say the name a is not defined, and if I just global a, it'll say that the name b is not defined. So if you want to make it run outside the place it's defined, if you don't want it to run